Good morning everyone. So Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao to all goldfish groomers. So nini-invite ko kayo sa 7 Amak grow out competition 90 days, which is Battle of the Block ST edition by Boss Amak, Alexis, and kay Boss Danilo. Shoutout rin sa nag-sponsored by Proby at saka Mutant. So may kami pang mga sponsored. So hopefully, so picking date po is mapuno lang, 50 slots lang po. So as of now is may 40 plus. So I think mga 8 slots na lang po available. So PM nyo lang ako or PM nyo si Boss Danilo Tan or kay Boss Alexis or kay Boss Kenner for the reservation of the slot. So everyone, good luck sa 7 Amak sa sumali. Thank you for supporting local. So kay Boss Alexis, kay Boss sa team Amak. So shoutout sa inyo lahat mga groomers. So good luck everyone. Thank you. Nakakatanong sa itsura ng parents, so ipopost din namin at saka yung ito yung mga GO.